Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the state of matter described in the statement. Blank number 1, the gas state has no definite shape nor definite volume. Blank number 2, in the solid state, the molecules are close together in a fixed location relative to one another. And blank number 3, the gas state is very compressible. Question 2, which two of the following are physical changes? The answers are answer A, candle wax melting, and answer D, rubbing alcohol evaporating when spilled onto a countertop. Question 3. Which prefix multipliers below correctly match the prefix abbreviation in meaning? Select 2. The answers are B, nano, N, 10 to the minus 9, and D, centi, C, 10 to the minus 2. Question 4. Write the number 3.5 times 10 to the minus 2 in standard notation. The answer is 0.035. Question 5. Which number has 4 significant figures? The answer is A. Question 6. What is the result of the following calculation? Report your answer to the correct number of significant figures. Only answers with the correct number of significant figures will be accepted. The answer is 11.5. Question 7. What is the result of the following calculation? Report your answer to the correct number of significant figures. Only answers with the correct number of significant figures will be accepted. The answer is 0.138. Question 8. What is the error contained in the following setup for unit conversion? The answer is B. The unit factor needs to be flipped over with 1 centimeter in the denominator. Question 9. Convert 0.015 meters to inches. The answer is D. .59 inches. Question 10. If a runner has a pace of 7.5 or 7.5 miles per hour, how long will it take her to run a 10.0 kilometer race? The answer is C. 50 minutes. Question 11. Fill in the missing element symbol or name. Blank 1. The symbol for sodium is Na. Blank 2. The symbol for phosphorus is P. Blank 3. The symbol PB is lead. Then blank 4, the element symbol S is sulfur. Question 12. Classify each element as a metal, nonmetal, or metalloid. Potassium, blank 1, is a metal. Silicon, blank 2, is a metalloid. Lead, blank 3, is a metal. Blank 4, sulfur, is a non-metal. Question 13. An atom of the isotope silver 107 has blank protons and blank neutrons and blank electrons. Do not include units in your answer. Blank 1, silver has 79 protons, 28 neutrons, and 79 electrons. Question 14. The data for a set of isotopes was collected. What is the average atomic mass? The answer is B, 53.6 AMU. Question 15. What is the most common ion formed for each element? Include both a sign, plus or minus, positive or negative, and a number in your answer. So for magnesium, it normally forms a 2 plus charge. Phosphorus normally forms a 3 minus charge. And lithium normally forms a plus 1 charge. Question 16. Select 2 atoms or ions that have an identical number of electrons. The answer is both oxide, O2 minus, and neon. Question 17. What is the maximum number of electrons that can occupy an n equals 4 energy level? Report your answer as a whole number. Do not include units in your answer. The answer is 32. Question 18. Determine the electron configuration for a neutral sulfur atom and answer the questions below. Enter each answer as a whole number. Do not include units in your answer. Okay. Number of electrons in the n equals 1 level is blank. Number of electrons in n equals 2 level is blank. Number of electrons in n equals 3 level is blank. and then blank valence electrons. So blank 1, the N equals 1 level for sulfur. 2, the N equals 2 level is 8. The N equals 3 level is 6. Then the number of valence electrons is 6. Question 19. Determine the electron configuration for a sodium cation and answer the questions below. Enter each number as a whole number. Do not include units in your answer. Blank 1, number of electrons in an N equals 1 level is 2. Blank 2, number of electrons in an N equals 2 level is 8. Number of electrons in the N equals 3 level is 0. Question 20. Select 2 answers that list the element with the larger radius first. The answer is D and E. The remaining questions on this page are from Chapter 3 material and will be discussed at a later time.